NAU Country continues to enhance our mobile application with EASYbind. EASYbind offers a fast, efficient, and simple way to send and crop hail binders on your mobile device or computer. At this time, EASYbind is available for all crops with published insurance per acre limits, with the exception of crops in Arizona, California, and Nevada. Please note, EASYbind is not available for hemp in any state. Accessing EASYbind is a snap on NAU Country Mobile or in the agent portal on your mobile device or on your computer. In all situations, you can submit crop hail binders by either starting from scratch or with a policy in context. The quickest way to get started with EASYbind is to go into NAU Country Mobile and select the ellipsis icon at the top of the screen. In the drop-down, select EASYbind. And this will bring you into the EASYbind screen. From here, you need to simply fill in the required fields, starting with name or business. And of course, any of the non-required fields can also be filled in. But I'll just continue on down to the fields marked with a red asterisk. Those are the required fields. Here you'll see 2024 is already selected for the crop year, and I will select my state in the drop-down. Now I go down to the coverage area and simply select my county. Use the drop-down to select my crop. And if practice is required, it will be available in the practice drop-down menu. If not, it will remain as non-applicable. Next, I will select my policy form. And then, if I would like, I can select my endorsements. And yes, more than one can be selected in this field. The estimated acres fields, along with the field below, will allow for up to 2 digits after a decimal point, like this. Now, you can add additional coverages by clicking the Add button. When you do that, the county you selected above will default into the next coverage. Or, of course, you can also choose to delete a coverage by clicking the Delete button. Now scroll down and carefully read the required statements. And when you're ready, check off the box at the bottom of this section that says you have read and accepted the above terms. Once selected, continue to scroll down the screen and check your agent contact information, which should pre-populate from our system. If changes need to be made to the email or phone number, you can make them now. And please note that you will get a confirmation email at the email address listed in the agent contact information section. Lastly, type in your name as your electronic e-signature. And once that's complete, simply hit the Submit button. Once the form has been submitted, you will see the following pop-up message. This lets you know that your crop hail EASYbind document has been submitted, and an email confirmation will be sent to your email address that was listed on the form. You may download a copy of the crop hail EASYbind documents for your records by clicking the download icon, like this. Please note, this is the only time and place you'll be offered this option to download this document. And once you've done that, you can use the share icon in the upper right-hand corner, or you can simply just click the Done option. Once you've done that, you'll return back to the main screen of NAU Country Mobile. In addition to being able to submit a crop hail binder using EASYbind from scratch like I just showed you, you can also submit one with a policy in context. So to do that, you simply search for and select the policy holder of your choice. Choose the 2024 policy. And in the right-hand column, since I'm on my iPad, I'll scroll down until I get to the Actions section, where I can find an EASYbind option. Once I select the option, it's going to bring me right into the EASYbind screen. Once I'm in the EASYbind screen, because I started from a policy, you will notice the first section of the screen, the insured section, will pre-populate with all of the insured's information. Now, in addition to being able to use NAU Country Mobile to access EASYbind, you also have the ability to access it from the agent portal. You can do that either from your mobile device by simply pulling up a browser and going to naucountry.com and logging into the agent portal that way. Or of course, you can also access the agent portal from your computer. Once you've logged in to the agent portal, simply go up to the hamburger menu found in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the drop-down, select the My Farmers option, and in this drop-down, you will find EASYbind. This will bring you right into the EASYbind screen, where you can fill out a crop hail binder from scratch. Now, if we go back to the home page, you also can go to My Farmers, search for and locate a farmer of your choice, from here, select the 2024 policy, and from here you will be able to find an EASYbind option. By selecting EASYbind here, you have this policy in context, and again, the information will pre-populate in the EASYbind screen in the insured area. Thank you for tuning in to learn about EASYbind. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your marketing representative or your underwriter.